Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the exception, the hard and the soft sound of consonants. There are almost 4 consonants that are having different sounds. The first one is C, and the letter is C and the sound is K, K. And C is having a hard sound and a soft sound. First look at the soft sound, the C circle, C circus, and the hard sound K, 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 carrot, K, K, cake, K, K, car, K, K, cup. The next one is letter G and the sound is G. First look at the soft sound of G, giraffe, and the hard sound G, girl, G, grapes, G, goat, G, glass. The next one is the letter Q and the sound is qua. And the soft sound of qua, Q, Q is making a line, and the hard sound is qua, queen, qua, quail. And the last one is as X is for X-ray, and this is letter X and the sound is X, X. X is for X-ray and X, X as in fox, X, X as in box, X, X as in 6. I hope you all understood very much about the soft and hard sound of these consonants.